Cookies are a nice way to enjoy some delicious snack or dessert while at home because they are easy and simple to make. So today I'll be showing you how to make Funfetti cookies, which are soft and chewy, colorful, because we are going to be adding in some rainbow sprinkles. So kids will enjoy these cookies. So make sure to try out this recipe. To make the cookies, you're going to get started off by adding in half a cup of margarine or softened butter to your mixing bowl. And using a hand mixer over high speed, you're going to whip up or cream up the margarine until it's light. Once the margarine has turned from yellow to a very nice pale yellow color, you're going to be adding in your sugar, and using my spatula, I'm going to mix in the sugar so that it can get fully combined with the margarine. Crack in my egg into the bowl, and over high speed you're going to whip up the eggs together with the margarine and sugar until the butter is light and soft. In between, you're going to use your spatula and scrape the bowl so that you can make sure all the butter is getting fully whipped up. After around 3 minutes of whipping up my butter, this is how the butter is going to be looking like, and it's going to be very light. So next I'm going to be adding in some baking soda, baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and using a spatula you're going to fold in the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and the vanilla essence into the butter. And the baking powder and baking soda are going to make the cookies fluff up when baking in the oven, so the cookies are going to turn out very soft and chewy. The vanilla essence is going to add in a very nice flavor to the cookies while they're baking, and the salt is going to balance out the sweetness of the cookies. So the next step is to add in my all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add half of the all-purpose flour into the bowl and fold in. Making sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that the all-purpose flour can get fully combined with the butter. Adding the rest of my all-purpose flour into the bowl. And once you have a soft dough just like this, you're going to add in your sprinkles into the mixing bowl, and using your spatula, you're going to fold in the sprinkles into the dough. And once the dough is looking nice and perfect and very colorful, you're going to be refrigerating the dough for around 30 minutes before baking. This is going to make the cookies turn out very soft and chewy. After chilling your dough for around 30 minutes, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line a baking tray with parchment paper ready for your cookie dough. My cookie dough is well chilled, so I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop to scoop out my cookie dough onto the baking tray. The ice cream scoop is going to help me get even sized cookies. So I'm going to transfer the dough on my baking tray. Then using clean hands, you're going to pick up your cookie dough and roll into a ball. Place on your baking tray and finish up rolling the rest of the dough. At this point, you can also let the kids help you out to roll the dough. And please don't overcrowd the cookie dough on the baking tray because it's going to spread out while baking in the oven. So once done, you're going to be baking your Funfetti cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. When your cookies are ready, you're going to let the cookies sit on the baking tray for around a minute before transferring on your cooling rack so that the cookies can cool completely. The cookies are going to be looking like they are undercooked, but don't add in any more time to bake the cookies because they'll turn out very hard and we need chewy and soft cookies. So I'm going to let mine cool for around a minute before transferring to my cooling rack. That is after 1 minute, and my cookies are going to sit here for another 2 to 5 minutes until completely cooked. So this is a very fun way that you can make cookies at home, which is very easy and simple, and also the ingredients are simple. All you have to do is buy some sprinkles and make these awesome and delicious soft and chewy cookies. Catch you on my next episode.